Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to learn how to migrate your emails from Namecheap to Grigora Mail. To do this, we will use a free application called Thunderbird. Download and install the Thunderbird application on your computer. Log in to Thunderbird using your Namecheap email credentials. Once logged in, click on the Settings icon in the bottom left corner. Select Add-ons and Themes. Search for and install an extension called Import Export Tools NG. Now go back to your email view in Thunderbird. Right-click on your inbox. Hover over Import Export Tools NG, select Export Folder, and then choose As Mbox File. Save this file to your system. Important note: check the saved file to ensure it has the .mbox extension. If it doesn't, rename the file to add .mbox at the end. Now go to your Grigora dashboard and click on Mails. Click on Create New Address. Select your domain and enter your desired email prefix. Create a password and click Continue. You will see DNS records to add to your domain manager. Add and verify them. If already done, click Skip for now. Next, you can enable Forward a copy to another mail if you want incoming emails forwarded elsewhere. Click Continue. Enter your name for the email account. You can also choose whether to include a website link in your signature. Click Finish Setup. Now go to your Grigora dashboard and click Open Inbox. Sign in with your credentials. Once logged in, click on the Settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll down the Settings page and click on Import Data. A pop-up will appear. Upload the .mbox file you just downloaded from Thunderbird and click Next. You will see two options: Merge with existing folder or Import to new folder. Select the option that suits your preference and click Start Import. Once the process is complete, you will see an Import Successful message. Click Done. And that's how you successfully migrate your emails from Namecheap to Grigora Mail. See you in the next one!